How to change your Shein password on the mobile app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change the Shein password on the mobile app. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Shein app. Once open, tap on the Me button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Of course, you must ensure that you're signed in, which I am. On this next screen, tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Account Security. On the next menu, tap on Change Password. And here you just need to type in your old password. Ensure that you get the old password exactly correct, using any lowercase, uppercase, and numbers that you've used in your password. And then you just have to type in your new password twice. So type it in where it says new password and then next confirm password. And after that, hit submit and your password will be updated. And that's all it takes to change your password on the Shein app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.